Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate MoonPay widget for token purchases on websites, full guide step by step clearly. To activate the MoonPay widget for token purchases on your website, start by logging into your MoonPay account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up on the MoonPay website and complete the Once logged in, navigate to the developers section in your dashboard. Here, you will find various integration options for the MoonPay widget. Select Widget to access the configuration settings. You will see options to customize the appearance and functionality of the widget. Choose the cryptocurrencies you want to offer for purchase through the widget. Adjust the widget settings to match your website's design for a seamless user experience. After customizing the settings, locate the provided code snippet for integration. Copy the code snippet carefully. Next, head to your website's backend or the HTML editor of the page where you want to display the widget. Paste the code snippet into the HTML where you want the MoonPay widget to appear. Make sure to save and publish your changes. To test the integration, open the page on your website where the widget is located. Ensure that the widget loads correctly and functions as intended. If everything works smoothly, your MoonPay widget is now activated for token purchases. In case of any issues, consult the MoonPay documentation or reach out to their support team for assistance. With these steps, you have successfully activated the MoonPay widget on your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.